Welcome back, my lovely Tikitas. Well, today I don't want to do a recipe. I just want to give you a message, and this is the message that I have for you today. Now, what you see here is a cherry, and if you look closely, you can see that it's very small and it's basically ugly, to be more frank. And let me tell you a story. See, I planted this cherry tree about 8.5 years ago. Ever since then, I've only been able to harvest like a palmful of these kinds of battered and bruised fruit. And I was getting so annoyed because they would only pop up like for just a day. And when I say a day, I mean literally, you would have a handful that couldn't even fill a cup, just ripen for just one day, then nothing else till next year, the following year. So I was getting very annoyed, and I just didn't like seeing it anymore because it was just this one big blob on the property, and I was really getting annoyed, and I was planning on cutting it down, removing it, replanting a better one. But then a week ago, I looked out and I saw some blossoms, right? I saw some blossoms, and today I went and had a look, and what did I come across? Nothing but pure, beautiful, sweet, delicious cherries. Perfect, no imperfections. And it's been 8.5 years. It took 8.5 years to get this kind of product, this kind of harvest. 8.5 years. And what I'm trying to say to you guys is, no matter how rough your life may be, no matter how hard it may seem, no matter how torn, battered, and bruised you might think you are, or might feel you're at the end of the road and you just can't bother, you just want to give up. Let me tell you something. You just gotta hold out. You just gotta hold out. Just hold on a little bit longer, because it's been proven that sometimes it's when you're at your last, and just when you're about to give in, that's the time things really turn around for you. So yeah, this is just a lesson, just an inspiration, just a food for thought, to tell you guys that no matter how hard things are right now, it will be okay. Is it 7 times rise, 7 times fall, 7 times fall, 7 times rise? Well, it's been 8.5 years, but finally, I reaped the rewards after 8.5 years. Just hold on a little bit longer. I promise you, everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna, ooh, check it out.